Would you like to know what the options to build a 2-bedroom villa are? Keep watching and I will tell you how to customize your own villa in the Dominican Republic. We're going to take as an example the Capri model, our most popular 2-bedroom villa, and we're going to show you 3 different ideas on how to modify it. Villa Capri is a great option if you're looking for a vacation home or an investment property. It has a very functional floor plan for tropical life. With a standard living space of 110 square meters, it is a breezy Caribbean bungalow with 2 bedrooms and a central great room, which opens to the lovely covered terrace and your own private swimming pool. Owners love the airy feel and the tropical views from every room, as well as the separated bedrooms and full baths. These villas are within our community Casa Linda. We are a gated community in the north of the Dominican Republic where you can enjoy a relaxed lifestyle. Amongst the security, community feeling and great weather, our owners are able to customize their own villa. So what can you change, design or add to your villa model? Let's take a look. The Capri model comes with a flat roof, but a popular modification is to add a dormer roof, which creates a sense of open space and bring more light. You can adapt the floor plan to your tastes and needs. For example, move windows or doors, like this particular home where the sliding door was moved to give more privacy to the bedroom, but also create a bigger outdoor area. A lot of our owners use their villa as a vacation home and choose to rent it the rest of the year. So you might want to add an internal storage space to keep your belongings instead of a laundry room, or maybe just keep both. One of the perks of Caribbean living is warm temperatures all year round, so a pool is a must. The Capri includes an 8,000-gallon pool. Why not make it bigger or create a unique shape, or maybe add a jacuzzi or a swim-up bar? Talking about bars, all our villas include an outdoor one. The floor plans are adapted to embrace the natural landscape and lot characteristic, whether the land is flat or slightly elevated. Maybe you like warmer colors or a more modern design and match your window frames with your villa look. Even our standard options include high-quality materials, and all the villas come with cabinets and quartz or granite countertops. There are endless possibilities. Just use your imagination and our advice. And as we say in Casa Linda, it is your villa, your way. If you like this type of content and would like to see with other villa models, please leave us a comment below. I am Silvia Tarenghi, Digital Sales Manager. Contact us for any questions about our project. See you on the next one!